how to enable automatic page translation on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down and under the Preferences tab, you will see the option for a language and region. Tap on that and then tap on the language you'd like to have post translated into option you see there. Further, go ahead and select the language that you want to translate your post to and then tap on the Save option. For instance, I will tap on the Espanol option. Once you've tapped on the Saved option, with this, automatic translation will be enabled in that particular language. So, this is how you can enable automatic page translation on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.